you're stamping, do you ever have happy accidents that you didn't intend on doing, but they turn out better than they would have if you hadn't made your accident? Today I want to share one with you. It's a quick idea for how you can add a little bit of interest to a card without much work at all. It was a total accident the first time I did this. I actually cut a piece off of my card and then I decided, hey, I kind of like that. So I'll share it with you today. I'm Anna Helman. Thanks so much for being here. Let's take a look. Here's the card where I made my happy accident. I had this piece right here in my left hand and I had just stamped it, I'd finished it, and I had scissors in my right hand. And whatever I was doing, my paper and my scissors crossed paths and I cut the corner off of this piece of paper. And I thought, well, at first I thought, well, shoot, I just cut my paper. And then I thought, hey, I'll just cut the other corners and it will match. So I thought this was a fun idea. I love to use a corner rounder, you know, different decorative corner punches, but sometimes it's nice to have something a little bit different, or maybe you don't have a corner punch. So if that is the case, here you can see how quick and easy it is to cut the corners off of a piece that you want to add to one of your projects. So I prepared this card base. Now, if you're wondering about this piece I'm adding to the card base, I'll tell you a little bit about it. I was playing around with embossing folder techniques for our team Zoom chat here not too long ago with my team members. And I had come up with some really neat ideas for embossing folder techniques. This was a way I actually watercolored. I added color to the embossing folder, then I spritzed it, and I ran watercolor paper through with it. Thought it turned out absolutely beautifully. And I knew when I used this on a card, I wanted to keep it pretty simple. I don't want to do much to take away from this beautiful embossed and watercolor background. But I thought this would be a nice way to add just a little bit of interest, just a little bit of something to step it up. Now I created a greeting here. I'll add this. We'll go ahead and finish this card. Now I will mention while I'm thinking about it that this stamp set is available free right now. The one for this flowers. Our celebration is going on through the end of February. And during this time, you can get free products with any $50 order. And there's no limit to how many free items you can earn. So you can get quite a few if you have some supplies you want to stock up on. So this is a free product option. Actually, I mentioned my team that we were doing these techniques during one of our team meetings. We have an awesome sign-up special. You can get $175 worth of products plus a mini cut and emboss machine for $129. Or there's a less expensive option as well if you're interested. But I'll put links in the video description below for that. But let's take a look at this finished card. Isn't this just beautiful? You could even do this with designer paper. Just trim the corners, add it to your card base. If you want to, you can trim the corners of the base, and you have a beautiful card. If you enjoy card making tips and tricks videos, click on the name of my channel below. You'll go to my channel. There at the top is my card making tips and tricks playlist. You can learn all sorts of things to make your crafting quicker, easier, and more fun. Thanks so much for being here. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe. Have a blessed day, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.